Tammy, this is a file that I've downloaded from OESD, and if it's zipped, you're going to see a zipper on it. And so, it looks like I've got several of these. Let's look and see what's in this one. So what you're going to do is select the zipped file and right-click, and it says extract all. And it's going to create a folder now that's going to contain the embroidery designs. This is the path that it's going to go to. I have an external drive is where I want mine to go to. You can also determine where you want it to be. Perhaps you just want it to go to your desktop so that you can find it quickly. But these days I'm putting everything on that external drive. So I'm going to go ahead and say extract. It's just that quick. So what am I looking for? 1, 2, 3, 25 flowers. Now, if I don't find it, at the top, when you extract something, it could end up at the bottom of your list. And there it is. So then when I go into this, I can't tell what the designs are until I click on the view. This is a Windows thing. And I'll hit large. And then I can see the flowers that are in the folder. See, this is showing me that I'm looking inside that folder. And so if you're going to open up your Bernina software, I would open up the Art 90 because that's the highest level. And then I would save it to, and I'm hoping this is actually a Bernina file. But there's your EXP that will go to your sewing machine. And it would just be a matter of copy and pasting onto a thumb drive and then taking it to your machine. Unless you have the Wi-Fi, then you are probably going to go ahead and open up your software and send it to your machine with the Wi-Fi. That was included in version 9, just not everybody has that set up. So if you're using a thumb drive, this is where to get the EXP that has been unzipped, and you can then take it to your sewing machine.